Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Robinhood, ticker symbol HOOD. Before we get into it, just to reiterate, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content, and hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know when we release new content. So let's go ahead and dive right on into it, guys. This is Robinhood spikes 24%. Holds well above IPO price. So for those of you who are not familiar, Robinhood last week and hasn't been trading obviously for too long. As soon as it IPO, it fell down a little bit, but up big today. And we're going to talk about this article here. We're going to go over the charts and kind of give you some insight on that. So it says Robinhood, ticker symbol HOOD, soared to new highs on Tuesday in a stark contrast from its public debut last week. The investing platform stock spiked as much as 18% by mid-session and soared even higher later in the day. Shares were up 24% at market close and trading at $46.80 apiece, holding well above their IPO price at $38. Investors are keeping a close eye on the stock following Robinhood's public debut last Thursday. The stock sank as much as 12% below its IPO price during its first day of trading on the NASDAQ. Shares closed down 8% that day. Some question whether their lackluster performance had anything to do with Robinhood's hybrid auction style debut, a lack of lockup period for 15% of shares held by employees and others, or concerns over regulatory headwinds. Robinhood has been a key player in the retail trading boom involving GameStop, GME, and other stocks over the past year and a half. In an unusual move, the company allocated about 35% of its shares to retail investors for its IPO. Cathie Wood's ARK Innovative ETF, ARKK, scooped up about 4.9 million shares of Robinhood on Thursday and Friday of last week, according to Bloomberg data. Okay, so interesting, guys. A big day for Robinhood, and we're going to look at the charts and see what they're telling us. Insight on what you should do moving forward, on if you are in currently or if you're thinking about getting into the future. All right, guys, so taking a look at Robinhood Markets Incorporated, ticker symbol HOOD. As you see, there's not a whole lot of data to track as of yet. Like I said, it just IPO'd last week, so there's not a whole lot of things to track as of yet, but I will show you, and you can look right now. It's actually after hours. It hit a new high of $50.47. Okay, so right here, in my opinion, as you see, we're just starting to get a little bit of data as far as the RSI. And if you're not familiar with the RSI, that shows when things are overbought and oversold. And in this case, this thing's way overbought. So it could go a little bit higher. It may go to 52, maybe 53. But overall, I think it's going to get a pullback soon and test actually now this support of, I guess, about $49.45. If it busts below that, then your next support will be about 46 or so, 46.80, and kind of go from there. So if you're looking to get in on a longer term basis, I still think it's probably a good price. Anything maybe under $100, because eventually I think it could go higher and higher and higher. But for a short term swing, or if you want to get the cheapest entry possible, now's not the best time, because you see how this red line is way above here. That's overbought. You want to get it way down here whenever it turns blue into oversold, and that's going to come over the next couple of days, probably by Thursday, Friday. And once this kind of cools down, as you see, this thing's going basically straight up. It's going to pull back. Nothing goes up forever, but something to kind of keep an eye on after hours. I'm curious to see how high it goes today, but I think over the next couple of days we could see it run a little bit more, but then start to pull back as well. But it may not be a very big pullback. It could just have a slight pullback and then kind of keep going forward. But I may make a follow-up video later on in the week to kind of update everybody on the charts for those of you who are following this stock and looking to get in. So again, we're moving after hours. We're up to $50.63 a share. So again, though, we are very overvalued, but we do have an insane amount of volume going on this particular stock. So keep an eye on it if you're looking to get in. For me, if I was looking to get in, I wouldn't get in now, just because, again, overbought, a little bit more pricey than what I want to pay for it at this point. This would have been about the time you wanted to get in, whenever you have that green Doge candle, which signaled a reversal, and then you would have been able to make some really good profits on this point here. So if you'd have got in here by the 30 something dollar mark, then this hood stock, it'd have been time to be taking hood profits. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you. Catch you in the next one. Take care. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.